Welcome to Service Desk Fundamentals. This course introduces the essential practices and frameworks that enable effective IT support. Service Desk acts as the single point of contact between users and IT services, handling incident management, service requests, and user communication. Throughout this course, we will explore how to establish a robust service desk that delivers value, maintains user satisfaction, and aligns with IT service management best practices. A service desk is the central hub where users report IT issues and request services. It serves multiple critical functions, receiving and logging all incidents and requests, providing immediate support and troubleshooting, routing complex issues to specialized teams, and maintaining communication with users throughout the resolution process. The service desk is not just a help desk. It is the primary interface that shapes user perception of IT services and directly impacts organizational productivity. The service desk operates across several core functions. First contact resolution focuses on solving issues immediately when possible. Incident logging ensures every problem is documented with complete details for tracking and analysis. Request fulfillment handles user requests for services, hardware, or software. Communication and updates keep users informed about their issue status and expected resolution times. Escalation management routes complex issues to resolver teams when frontline support cannot resolve them. Every incident follows a structured lifecycle from start to finish. Logging occurs when a user reports an issue, and the service desk creates an incident record. Triage assesses the severity and impact to prioritize resources. Assignment routes the incident to the appropriate resolver team based on technical expertise. Resolution occurs when the issue is fixed. Closure and feedback confirm the user is satisfied and capture lessons learned. This structured approach ensures consistency and continuous improvement. Triage is the process of assessing incidents to determine urgency and impact. Severity measures how badly an issue affects the user or business. Impact measures how many users or systems are affected. Priority combines severity and impact to determine which issues get resolved first. Urgency reflects how quickly a resolution is needed. Through effective triage, the service desk ensures that critical issues receive immediate attention while routine requests are handled in order. This prevents important issues from being overlooked. The frontline team consists of specialized roles working together. Service desk agents handle initial user contact and issue logging. Incident triage specialists assess and categorize issues by severity and impact. Communication leads manage user updates and escalation coordination. Core skills required include active listening to understand user issues, concise note-taking for accurate documentation, problem prioritization for efficient resource use, and clear communication with both users and technical teams. These skills are essential for effective first contact handling. A knowledge base is a central repository containing documented incidents, workarounds, and known errors. This living asset accelerates resolution by allowing service desk agents to quickly find solutions to recurring problems. Collaboration practices involve sharing updates between teams, documenting decisions in incident records, and standardizing escalation notes. Templates and checklists ensure consistent incident handling. Role-based access control determines who can view and edit information. Regular review cycles keep the knowledge base current and valuable. Data-driven management relies on key metrics to measure performance. First contact response time measures how quickly users receive initial contact. Escalation rate shows what percentage of incidents require specialist involvement. Resolve time tracks how long issues take to fix. User satisfaction scores reflect how happy users are with the support received. Quality assurance involves regular audits of incident logs and adherence to templates. Continuous improvement captures lessons learned and updates processes. Weekly reviews of incident trends identify patterns and implement preventive measures. The service desk functions as the critical single point of contact where effective triage, logging, and routing drive successful incident resolution. Core takeaways include establishing clear incident processes, implementing a robust knowledge base, and maintaining consistent communication with users. Next steps for teams involve reviewing and updating knowledge assets, aligning on standardized templates, and implementing improved escalation procedures. Establish service-level agreements, collect regular user feedback, and schedule recurring metrics reviews to measure success. This end-to-end approach ensures sustainable, measurable improvements in IT service delivery.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.